Hi, so today I'm gonna teach you how to solve problems in regarding velocity and acceleration. I'm not gonna discuss the formula. I'm just gonna uh, say a few details as we go into the problems that we're gonna solve. I'm gonna discuss these formulas briefly. Okay, so take a second in reading this first problem. A car's velocity increases from 8 meters per second to 20 meters per second in 10.0 seconds. Find its acceleration. That's what we're gonna solve first. And the second one is the car's velocity then decreases from 20 meters per second to 10 meters per second in 5.0 seconds. Then find its acceleration in time interval. So first we're gonna look for the car's acceleration, and then after that we're gonna move on to the next thing that we're looking for. So let's first answer letter A. So we're gonna solve for letter A first. The formula for acceleration is A is equal to the final velocity minus the initial velocity over time. So we're given the final and the initial velocity, which is 20 meters per second minus 8 meters per second over 10 seconds. So 20 minus 8 is 12 over 10. 12 divided by 10, you just press into your calculator and the result is 1.2 meters per square seconds. So that's our letter A. The final answer for our letter A is this. Let's move on to letter B. In letter B, we're gonna look for the acceleration, but the the initial and the final velocity is different. So anyway, it's just the same. Only the velocity has changed because the car had decreased its speed. Okay, so the car decreased its speed. So once again, formula of acceleration: final minus initial velocity over time, and we were given the final velocity as 10 meters per second minus 20 meters per second over 5.0 seconds. So 10 minus 20 is negative 10 divided by 5. The result is negative 5 meters per square second. Okay, so it's just the same with the letter A. Only the given has changed. So let's move on to our next problem. The car starts from a velocity of 10 meters per second with an acceleration of 2.0 meters per square second. Find the time needed for the car to reach 20 meters per second. We're asked to find the time needed for the car to reach 20 meters per second from a starting point of 10 meters per second. So 20 meters per second is our final velocity minus 10 meters per second. So 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5 seconds. And another problem. So let's move on to the next one. The velocity time graph below represents the motion of a golf cart. You can see the graph below, right? Find its acceleration at time is equal to 25 seconds and time is equal to 35 seconds. So we're gonna look for two accelerations at a different given time. We're gonna find the acceleration wherein time is equal to 25 seconds. So we're gonna find for that. So as you can see in the graph below, in the problem, you can see the starting point, which is 4, and the ending ones before it. I mean the line next to 4, the inclined one. It reaches to 10 meters per second, because the vertical line is the velocity and the horizontal ones is the time. So you can there's a label in the table. So the starting is, we have 4, so we're gonna look for acceleration. Okay, acceleration is equal to Vf minus the initial velocity over time. Okay, so the initial velocity was 4 because it's the starting point, as you can see in the graph, so 4. And the line next to it, the inclined one, it ends at 10 meters per second. So that would be our final velocity. Okay, and the time was 25 seconds. Okay, so 10 minus 4 is 6. 20 divided by 25, it results to 0.24 meters per square second.